What's up? Addy and I are backpacking. We're going up to Silver Lake. We'll see you guys up there.
What's up, vlog? I think we are almost to the upper Silver Lake. This is our first backpacking that we've done. It is a hot day. Thank God that there's water at the top because I'm gonna be swimming.
Oh, we made it. Got our hammocks jimmy rigged up.
Step one when you get to camp, get the beers cold. Step two of camp, get a good water source going. It looks like you're naked.
Happy now?
Ray's cooking up some dinner.
Oh, some pasta. Yeah!
Oh!
We did it! Let's go! It's the tiniest little. God, dude. It's the tiniest little.
Show it to the camera. Oh!
Going to bed. See you guys in the morning. Morning. Beautiful day from that. Hey, what's up? We're gonna fish again this morning. See how that goes. So I forgot to film an outro. This is where we're at. So anyways, after this, I didn't catch any fish. Then we hiked down. Thanks for watching, you guys. That was an amazing vlog. Later. Bye. Peace. Like and subscribe. Later.